channel, so I wanted to show you my flower paperweights that I made. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? These are with dried flowers. You see it? That's one of them, and then this is the other one. I'm going to trim the top of this off later. See that? I may add a little bit of resin on top, but I'm going to trim the top of that off later. But this is what this one looks like. See the flowers, daisy, sunflower in there. Maybe you can see it better on this angle. But this is what they look like. My daughter's already claimed this one, and I'm going to claim this one. These are paperweight, my dried flower paperweights. So I just wanted to show them to you, and I hope you like this video. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel, RoseJayCreates. I'm also on Instagram as RoseJayCreates. I'm offering membership, so if you're interested in becoming a family member, we'd love to have you. But I just wanted to show you what they look like and how they turned out. So guys, thanks. Make sure you thumbs up the channel and leave comments as usual. So thank you guys again for tuning in to RoseJayCreates, and you guys have a great day. Okay guys, welcome back. So these are the two silicone molds that I'm going to be using. My crystal, my diamond crystal one, and then my geode crystal one. And I'm going to use these to make my paperweight, my dried flower paperweight. So I've already pre-sorted out a lot of my dried flower that I want to use. I've kind of sorted them by colors. My diamond crystal one, I'm going to add tones of oranges and yellows. And then my geode crystal one, I am going to add tones of reds and burgundies and pink. So all I'm doing is adding a little bit of gold leaf paper. And I'm going to do this in layers because I don't want all my flowers to float to the top. So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of resin to the bottom of my geode crystal mold. And then I'm going to slowly just add my flowers in layers. And I'm just going to kind of go back and forth adding flowers and my resin. So just stay tuned and make sure you guys are thumbing up the channel. Right now would be a really great time to thumbs up the channel. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. So all I'm doing is just pushing down one of my flowers, just making sure it's sort of at the bottom in the corner, wedged in the corner the way I want it. And then I'm just going to dampen one of my dried flowers just to kind of press it up to the wall. So I'm just going to continue to do this back and forth. Okay, guys, it has been 24 hours and I am now complete. What I'm going to do is just unmold my dried flower paperweights so you can see what they look like. And you kind of have to kind of let air get to the bottom of it because it's like a suction and it doesn't want to let it out. But once it comes out, you will love it. I like packing it with a lot of flowers so you can see flowers on every angle. And here we go. And this was my diamond one. See the daisy? Oh, that looks so gorgeous. I like the green leaves I have in there along with the gold leaf paper. Looks really, really good. I hope you guys like this. And make sure you guys are thumbing up this video. Leave comments. And if you're not a member, I would love to have you as a member. And this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? I love this. I almost wish I had put even more flowers in it. I'd like it to be packed with flowers. That way, no matter which way I turn it, you'll see all the flowers. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I'm loving this. And then this one is my geode one. And this one I put a little bit more flowers in it. There was a struggle with this one because some of the flowers kept trying to float to the top. But all I'm going to do is just try to pry it apart. Oh, this looks so good. What do you guys think? Look at those dried petals. Oh, I love the gold leaf paper in here. And this is going to make a beautiful, beautiful paperweight. And I'll sort of trim it off on the top. But I wanted you guys to see what it looks like and, kind of give me your opinions on what you think about it. I really enjoyed making these. I'm just kind of trimming off any little excess bits of resin that's sort of sticking out. And it doesn't take much. You can use it. You can use a cutter or you can just sand it down. I'll sand it down a little bit later. And then top the edge with some more resin. What I'm going to do is just trim off any little bits. I really hope you guys love this video. I like making this. A little petal sticking out. And these are just little wire cutters. And they're great for, trimming off resin pieces. But what do you guys think of this one? Which one is your favorite? I think this one. Well, my daughter has claimed this and I'm going to get the other one. But I kind of like the bright flowers in this one. The more bolder the flowers, the more it stands out. So guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Again, guys, have a great day. And thanks for tuning in to RoseJayCreates. Bye.